No. Oh, 1 second. Hey guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it one thumbs up. Also, don't forget, leave me in a comment anything you want to learn on photography, on Lightroom, on Photoshop, on plugins. I will do my best to fulfill your wishes. Yes. Yeah, R2 says don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to click the little bell so you get a notification every time a video comes out. See you in another video, and may the force be with you. R2, please say goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.